Today we're making the Cinnamoroll Boba Kit by JapanLA with our guest host, Cinnamoroll! I know guys, let's get started! This is an official collaboration between JapanLA and Sanrio. The Cinnamoroll Boba Kit, look how cute the cup is! Oh my god, the shimmers. Okay guys, this is the official box that your boba kit comes in. It is this gorgeous blue color, and then all these Sanrio friends dressed up as Cinnamoroll for Cinnamoroll's birthday. Look how cute it is! Oh my god, I'm in love! Okay, so inside you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to make your boba and the milk tea. Look at this adorable card with Cinnamoroll and all our favorite Sanrio friends. It gives us instructions for the tea, the syrup, and most importantly, the boba and milk tea. It also includes all the ingredients with super cute packaging. We have the butterfly pea tea. Wait a minute, that is white boba! Some brown sugar and 4 straws so you can share with your friends. Next step, we're going to brew the tea. First with the clickety-click. Okay, now the water is hot. Time to pour it into our pot. There we go, and then we're gonna steep 1 bag of the butterfly pea tea into that pot with hot water. Make sure to stir it every minute just to make sure everything spreads out really well. And then we're going to remove the bag and let it cool. Can you tell it's a little bit of a blue color? It's called the butterfly pea tea. It's so cute! So next one is going to be our cinnamon brown sugar syrup. We're going to start by boiling 1 cup of water, adding half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We'll add in 1 cup of packed brown sugar. We're going to mix all the ingredients and boil for 3 minutes on high heat. Okay guys, time for my favorite part. We're gonna make the boba. So first of all, we're gonna bring 5 cups of water to a boil. Look at the water. Okay, watch the water boil. And then we're gonna add the boba into the water. The next few parts are going to be important, guys. Make sure to keep on stirring because the boba, when you pour it in, it's going to be clumping a little bit. So make sure to keep them all separate. Just keep it stirring to make sure the clumps don't stick together. There we go. We're going to close the lid. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, 35 minutes on the clock. BRB. Time for a dance break with Cinnamoroll. Oh, as you can tell, I want to eat it already. Stirring. Okay, make sure to rinse and rinse it clear. Also stir it while you're rinsing to make sure. Wow, look at them. Stir for 10 seconds and let the boba soak in the syrup for at least 15 minutes. The longer you let it soak in the syrup, the sweeter it will be. Final step, guys, we're gonna make the milk tea. So first, grab your Cinnamoroll boba cup. In your cup, you're going to pour in your desired amount of boba. The correct answer is all. We're going to add in 2 cups of ice. Pour in your brewed tea. Add in some milk. And shake or stir. And voila! Your Cinnamoroll milk tea is finished! Lastly, take pics and enjoy! Ta-da! Thank you so much, Cinnamoroll, for helping us make our boba today. I can't wait to try it, and I hope you guys like it too. Thank you! Excited to see all of your boba pics. Don't forget to tag us! Check out our other links for more JapanLA fun. Thanks, everyone!